Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Friends, today in this video I am going to show you how to hide or camouflage numeric cell values in Excel. Friends, here in this screen you see that under marks column this cell is blank and the next cell is it is written 99, and under the roll number column and the here it is written dog in red color font, and here it is written cat in black color font. But if I tell you all these are fake, all these are camouflage, actual fact is in this cell although it looks blank but it is not blank. If I click here and see the formula bar, you see it is written 65. Similarly here if I click in the formula bar, you see the cell value is 84. Here if I click, then you see the cell value is 456452, and here if I click, then you see the cell value is 264684. So the question is how it is done. For the first cell, the task is very simple. We simply change the font color to white. That means font color is same as the cell color. So cell color is white and font color also we have made white. If we make it black, you see it is visible. But if we make it white, then it is gone, hidden. But the value is still there, 65. And these three cells, 99, dog, cat, these are done using formatting. So for 99, it is the second simplest thing. What is the formatting? Formatting is go to this formatting, click on this right side, you will go to formatting, under number, go to custom, and you see the formatting is just 99. No symbol, no slash, nothing, just write 99, it will be 99. For example, if I write 888, then you see if I press OK, then it will become 888. So whatever you write, it will become that. Next simple thing is CAT. For that, command you have to write is, I write it here, in the formatting you have to write this, \C, again \A, again \T. So this is the formatting. I make it little large so that you can see it clearly. So this is the formatting you have to write. So mark this cat, let's see what it is written. You see, you might say that before C there is no slash, and before AT there is one slash, that is before A there is a slash, but before T there is no slash. But this one is done by Excel on its own. We have to type like this, \C, \A, \T. But Excel through its own mechanism takes, if I press it OK, it will be still this one, but look at the formatting, whatever I have typed is not there. Okay, it is not there. It is Excel has taken by default. First character did not put any backslash, but second and third one single backslash. So you might be thinking that that may be the way to write even other things also. Okay, suppose in place of cat only I want to write, say this time I want to write dog. So same method if I follow, then I'll write what? I'll write D \O then G, that is no backslash before first character, and second character there is a backslash, for G there is no backslash. So if I write this, I hope that this will become, in place of cat it will become dog, but let's see, press OK, it has become 40. Where from this 40 has come? Okay. So therefore, don't go by what Excel writes. Go follow your own method. So if you want to make it dog, then don't write this. You have to write \d \o \g. Then if you click OK, it will become dog. And let's see what computer has taken. Computer has now put, see, for cat there was no / before first character, but now first two characters they have taken one /, and for third character there is one /. So there is a difference. So Excel behaves in a peculiar manner, which at least I don't know how it behaves. So best thing is that if you want to do the formatting, then put a / before every character, then it will work. So let us now go to, let us now go to this red color business. So by now we know how to write DOG, but red color is written like this. Before this DOG, within square bracket you have to write the color red. Okay. So for example, if you want to write, say now red cat, suppose I want to write, or blue green cat maybe. So GREE, sorry, I have to write a small letter, GREEN, then this one, and then \C, \A, \T. Then if I put OK, then it will become green color cat. So here the command is actually like this. Then you have to write color in small letter, of course. Okay, and then \C, \A, \T. So if you write this, and here of course it is written dog, so let me correct it also. So this one is DOG. Okay, and this one, let me make it slightly bigger so that you can read it. It's too big. Then this, then this. Okay. So, okay. So color means whatever color you want, you write color, and before every character write a \. And let computer decide on what to take, what not to take. Okay. So different things. I have tested it. For example, suppose now I want to write say update. Suppose I write update. Let's see update is. So I will write \u \p \d \a \t this update. So this will become update. But let us see what Excel has done. Excel has done is like this. For UP there is no \. For D there is a \. For AT there is a \. But and for E there is a \. That means 3 \/ for this 6-letter word. Okay. So therefore, don't try to understand what Excel is doing. You follow your own method. You put a \ before every character, then it will work. Rest Excel will do. So hope somewhere it will be useful for you. Thanks for watching the video.